Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare cluster beans curry recipe, which is also known as Gawar ki Sabji. This recipe is nutritious and flavorful recipe that pairs perfectly with roti, chapati or steamed rice. Cluster beans or gawar makes a nutritious curry that is rich in fiber and proteins. Maharashtrian style cluster bean curry or gawar is a dry to semi-dry curry featuring stir-fry cluster beans tempered with ginger garlic paste. Maharashtrian spices like black Gawar Masala, red chili powder and roasted peanut powder makes it delicious. Ingredients needed for this recipe are 250 grams of cluster beans, which are known as gawari. To make a perfect cluster beans recipe, choosing the right stage of cluster beans is a key to balance flavor and texture. The cluster beans must be not too young or not too mature. Rinse the cluster beans thoroughly in fresh water. Trim the top and bottom ends and remove any side strings. If the beans are mature, chop them with the fingers in small 1-inch pieces. In spices, we need red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, mustard seeds and cumin seeds as optional. Also the ginger garlic paste, salt for taste and 2 tablespoons of oil. First step is to prepare the temperings. Heat oil in the pan or a kadhai on medium heat. Add garlic paste and stir it well for 30 to 60 seconds to release the oil. After adding garlic paste, add turmeric powder, red chili powder and garam masala, which is made with the help of black burnt onions. Add fresh green coriander leaves. Also add chopped cluster beans and mix it well for 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring the masala or ingredients coats the bean uniformly. Mix the fresh green coriander leaves and let the gawar or cluster beans cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Add salt for taste. Check periodically to stir and ensure they are not sticking. If the water dries and the beans are not soft, sprinkle little water and continue to cook. Combining cluster beans or gawar with peanuts creates powerhouse of nutrition. The combination of fiber from the beans and protein from the peanuts helps you feel full for longer which can prevent overeating and aid in weight management. This cluster bean curry is a great source of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining bone strength. Cluster beans or gawar are highly recommended during the pregnancy as they are packed with folic acid. After the cluster beans are well cooked, make the paste of peanuts. Adding water to the peanuts in the grinder creates a rich creamy paste that acts as perfect base for thick gravy of cluster beans. Add the peanut water paste to the pan in cluster beans. Stew for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat until you see the tiny bubbles of oil separating at the edges. Add a little more water if you want thinner gravy. Cover and cook until the cluster beans are soft and tender. Keep the flame low while cooking the paste so it doesn't stick to the bottom of pan. While selecting the cluster beans or gawar, always pick young and small beans as they have fewer fibers and taste better. The secret in this cluster beans recipe is onion garlic masala. It is dark and spicy, blend from the red chilies. If you use this, you usually don't even need any extra ginger or garlic. Masala does all the heavy liftings. If you want your cluster beans or gawar to have a black curry, you have to grind the black burnt onions with ginger, garlic and coriander stems to make the thick dark paste called as watan. If this paste is too dry to grind, add splash of water. When you add this black masala to the cluster beans, the result is deep, dark, smoky gravy that tastes incredibly rich compared to the standard tomato onion base. Once the cluster beans or gawar is cooked well, garnish with the fresh coriander leaves. This curry is traditionally enjoyed with jawar or pearl millet roti or also with steamed rice. Also serve raw onion and lemon. Serve few wedges of raw onions and slice of lemon on the side. Squeeze of lemon over the hot curry cuts through the richness of peanut powder. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.